Student scheduling is the process of picking out specific classes that a student would take for the term. In De La Salle University, this usually involves the student manually picking out classes from an expansive list of course offerings in a given term. From our initial need finding, we found that students usually had to go through a painstaking process of manually deciding which classes to pick, having to consider multiple factors such as availability, preferences, and conflicts. We decided to use a user-centric approach in order to create a system that can assist students in this process. We employed a novel approach, which is using a SAT solver to facilitate the automation features of the system. We gathered students from different batches and colleges in order to test the usability and effectiveness of our proposed system. We did 4 iterations of testing, improving the system based on the feedback from each iteration. For our test setup, we had our participants use the website on a computer with a webcam enabled to be able to record the interactions and facial expressions of the tester. We recorded the facial expressions of the participants and observed their actions in the website to gather insights on possible pain points and positive features of the system. Along with this, we asked the participants to complete post-test surveys in order to gauge their satisfaction and how usable they perceive the system to be. Iteration 1 and Iteration 2 focused on testing and evaluating the usability of the system's major features. Iteration 1 focused more on the interaction design, while Iteration 2 focused more on verifying the correctness of the SAT solver by letting students create their schedule through their usual process followed by using the provided system. Iteration 3 and Iteration 4 focused on testing how effective the system is in more realistic scenarios. This included both creating a schedule individually and as a group. Through the improvements, we were able to make an efficient and usable system that can effectively assist students in the schedule-making process. The system can automatically generate schedules, help students keep track of information, and improve collaboration between students when creating a common schedule. From our research, we were able to better understand the needs of a student when it comes to scheduling systems, along with possible strengths and pain points of using an automated system. We were able to create a deployable system that is efficient, usable, and effective.